And the winner of the $50 giveaway is... Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuild's Garage, and today we're at IA Auctions and we're gonna check out this Kia, and we're gonna do a walk around. This video is only for this car specifically. This is a 2018 Kia Stinger, and we're gonna show you the damages. This thing is totaled, that's why it's here. So we're gonna go through in the interior, engine, everything. We're gonna do an in-depth video about this thing, and let's get into it. Check this thing out. So this thing is $40,000 MSRP coming out of the dealer. It comes with a little over 300 horsepower and it is all-wheel drive. So this is a V6 turboed engine and puts down 365 horsepower to be exact. You could go to iai.com, put in the stock number that I'm going to put right here. You could go check it out. You could bid on it. You could make an account. But let's check out the damages right here. So we don't know exactly what happened here, but looks like it's probably been a T-bone of some sort, because you can tell there's no door here. This looks a little caved in. We can't see much because of this paper, but we'll get into the interior. We will check it out. They also put this tape right here to not open this door, because this door is also damaged, and maybe not to damage the rest of the stuff here. This thing also comes with the Brembo brakes all around, aluminum wheels. Now let's go check out the interior. So this specific one comes with the red or maroon interior with the bucket seats. And to be honest, first time sitting in one, and it feels really, really tight. Really, like the seat is really holding you. Everything is right here for you. There's different driving modes here that you could select. And look at that screen that pops up. And Kia really stepped up their game for luxury. Thank you guys for watching this walk around of this Kia. If you guys like this is something new we want to try out, where this video is only based on this and we go in depth and checking this thing out. Let us know what you guys want to see, what kind of cars you guys want us to see in the comment section below, and like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Now it's time to do the giveaway. We had a little giveaway going on in our Instagram at Auto Rebuild's Garage, where we posted, if you comment on our photo and on the YouTube video, you'll get 50 bucks. So we thought there's gonna be more people that will enter, but there's only 7 people that entered here. I numbered each person off with the number, and I'm also gonna pull up a number generator on my phone. See that? So there is 7 people. So I'm gonna change it to 7, and it's gonna be surprise. Let me build up the suspense here. Okay, so the winner is number 3. And number 3 is Alex. So Alex Andruk, right here, number 3. If that's you, contact us on Instagram. And if you guys want to be entered in a giveaway, we'll be doing random giveaways on our YouTube channel, on Instagram. And this one was 50 bucks. Not too bad. Only 7 people wanted 50 bucks. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. Let us know in the comment section below what you guys want to see next. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.